A magnitude 4.4 earthquake near Acapulco, Acapulco de Juárez, Guerrero, Mexico, was reported 38 minutes ago by Mexico's National Seismological Service, SSN, considered the main national agency that monitors seismic activity in Mexico. The earthquake occurred at a shallow depth of 14 kilometers beneath the epicenter in the morning on Thursday, March 30, 2023, at 9:46 a.m. local time. Magnitude and other quake parameters can still change in the coming hours as the agency continues to process seismic data. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.4 earthquake as well.